see him. What is up, guys?
It's a sheep talking. Island boy. DJ. Shout out to the Island Boy Shane. Hey, it's the Island Boy. This goes out to Island Boy Shane, Crypto BlackSheep, and the DJ Protocol community. Island Boy. It's a sheep token, going to the moon. Drip hops and poles, gonna make us all rich. The DJ Protocol.
Oh, I guess it's the Donny D show for a minute. Cool. What's up, everybody?
What up? Can you hear me?
Yep. Donny D show for a minute.
What?
It was the Donny D show for a minute.
Yeah, I know. Sarah called me and it cut off the connection, so I had to come back in.
You're good.
What's going on?
Hey, not much, man. Just fixing code and yeah, put a call out to
Right
BT. Need another one of those fix it in 30 seconds moments. You know what I mean?
Cool. Oh, nice. Oh, you got to fix with him?
Well, no. I need him to help out fix something.
Oh, yeah.
Is what I'm saying. Yeah. So I put a call out to him. Hopefully he gets back to me shortly.
Yeah, that's not a Hellcat. That's a 392, not supercharged. I know he heard me. Yeah.
Nice, man. So, you on your way home or?
Yeah, I'm taking the kid back home from he just had his boxing class or whatever.
That's right. Yeah, that's where you were at. Yeah.
There's that Tesla. Caught up to him. We caught up to him. Look at that.
I don't think that's even a challenge, really.
Yeah, this guy thinks he's fast. He thinks he's fast. Oh man. So what did you have to fix?
So there was a little bit of an issue with some of the balances that were recorded in the migration. Actually, I wanted to tell you about it. Joseph DM'd me and he's like, yo, listen, I checked out my balance on testnet and turns out it's like 10x what it's supposed to be. You know, you should double check your numbers. And
nice.
Yeah, so he actually prompted me to go back and check the migration, and I found where the issue is. So I just got to fix that part up, and yeah, then we should be all right.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Right on. Just some stuff.
Yep, just some stuff, just some usual stuff.
Right on.
That's how it is. Now, while you're doing your thing driving, I might as well go ahead and fuck it. I will share my screen and show off the
the
MGE page.
Engine noise, so you know he can hear me. He just hears us, bah! Fuck your electric car. Oh man, good times in this thing.
Yeah.
So Yeah, I'm just dropping him off, and then I'll be heading home to do my thing.
Awesome.
Pew! Love the turbo sound. Is this thing
That
gonna
truck is. That's fucking killer, man. It really is.
gonna open back up? Yeah. Oh, cool. Cool. Right on. Yeah, it's fun. Alrighty. You got everything? Yep. Okay, cool. Right on, brother. I will see you soon. All right. Have a good evening. Thank you. Yep, no problem. See ya.
All right. Kid dropped off. It's time to head home.
Yeah, he was he's doing his boxing thing. He's getting pretty good at it. So
Yeah, nice.
he's
I don't do
training
any
with,
fighting or boxing or anything like
he's
that.
training with this Marquis Sosha or some shit, I think his name is. He's,
Yeah, you were showing in the chat before.
Yeah, he's a big title fighter from the 80s. It's probably, you know,
Nice.
same time that Tyson was doing his thing. But he's
Yeah.
he was in
Murky
a different
Sosa.
different weight class. Yeah. But yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. So,
Hey, it's Island Boy Shane.
What up?
what's Shane?
Why isn't that working? You
It's
guys
working.
can hear me?
Yep.
Yeah,
Let me check the Bluetooth.
we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Okay, let me check on my end because it's not coming through my Bluetooth. You guys still hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, we hear you.
Cool. Okay, I got it working. Oh, you're driving too, huh?
Yep.
Well, I'm not driving in a car. I'm not driving anything that sounds like that. I'm driving in something that sounds like this. That's it. I want to put a badass exhaust so bad on this Beamer.
Oh yeah, on the Beamer.
Yeah, I'm just picking it up from the dealership.
That's cool. What'd you have to do to it?
They were checking because there's been little electrical issues I'm noticing, and of course, there's no codes or nothing, and it was working fine while it was there. Typical BMW.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, even the guy at the dealership, he said, yeah, that I'm right, that there's a lot of electrical issues tend to be the problem.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, with just BMWs in general. Like they got they brag all the time about their German precision engineering, but yet they can't figure out how to fucking wire shit.
Yeah, right. So it's like they got recall issues and shit, or what?
No, just little things I had noticed, like my driver's window, for example, just like when in the middle of the night going down by itself, shit like that.
Oh, okay.
My info center one day, or more than once, it's happened 2 or 3 times. I'm driving and all of a sudden it goes blank, and then you can barely see it says like no connection established or something or some shit like that, and then eventually it'll come back on and act like nothing.
Oh, okay.
So
weird shit.
Yeah, and then Jen's in my truck driving behind me right now.
Nice.
My truck's not loud like yours, though. Mine's like normal truck loud, which is not very loud. Yours is like, fuck you in your face loud.
Right. Definitely.
Oh, man.
All day.
Well, bro, that time when we fucking both started up our vehicles, and we were right by mine, and yours drowned out mine like 100 yards away. Granted, I know where we were at. It was very like acoustically vibrant, that building area, but it don't matter. It's still still like 100 yards away, dude. Your fucking truck. Whoa, blah, 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 blah.
Woo! Love this truck.
Fuck, I love your truck.
She just shits and gets.
There's, I don't know, you probably can't see. There's my truck behind us.
Cross says, let's get into the daily drama, boys. Oh wow.
The Daily Drama boys, yeah.
What drama?
Hey, we needed a little drama. We hadn't had any lately.
Felly was getting slapped around in the chat earlier, apparently.
Oh, I heard about that. I haven't taken the time to look back into it yet.
Oh, my
Well,
God.
he was dealing it back too, though. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Him and SK, right?
Yeah, both of them.
SK
Yeah,
was
and then a
too,
few
yeah.
others just chucked, chucked balls from the sideline, like
Yeah.
throwing
Yeah,
rocks.
funny.
Yeah, see, that's one I wouldn't even have gotten involved in, because I I'll throw sometimes when people are arguing. I'll do like cross stuff, dude. I'll throw in something to fuck with one side or both sides. That one I would have been like, no, this is long running. I'm gonna let that one play out without me.
Yep. Well, I mean, your impressive rant about Hex, that argument with Tune Dealer for 3.5 hours, that's still a bloody record.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
I'm the one who stopped it over the whole chat. Let's just fucking stop it. Because I looked at the clock and I didn't think it was that long, but I looked at the clock and I was like, holy fuck! It's like, I think it was after midnight, and I was like, yeah, this needs to end.
That was a fucking marathon, dude.
It was. And the only time anybody else would chime in, though, they were always chiming in on my side, like little chimes here and there.
Hey,
And
Cross.
other than that, it was just me and him.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, Cross, your comment there, part you couldn't believe, yeah, that was total bullshit as well. I had to fucking hold my tongue not to fucking say something like, yeah, nah, that is a right load of crap.
On what?
I'm trolling this fucking Mustang right now. It's funny. He tried to get around me, and then I just fucking punched it.
I'll DM you, but yeah,
Yeah, because I can't really see what Cross said because I'm driving right now. And
yeah, no, you're good, man. I'll catch you up on it. Don't worry. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So
was there a clear winner or loser in the debate that they were having, or were they both just equally destroying each other?
Who is destroying who?
Was it when SK and Felly got into it? Were they like equally destroying each other? Did one seem like they won the?
There was no challenge because we all know Felly, dude, and we know his history of fucking dumping on people's heads and shit. It's like, and then he wants to fucking call him out, so fucking clearly fucking called him out, like, and all the fucking. Like, and then went back and added to it, so I pinned it in the chat. It's in the chat pinned right now. I'm like, yeah, you want to call people out, you get fucking called the fuck out, dude. So, yeah.
Look, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it.
We got the infamous Felly dip on our chart for a reason,
At all.
dude. Like, he's.
I'm going to go ahead and say it. Check this out. Cross actually said, he's like, the part that I couldn't believe the most is when he was blaming not buying back sheep token due to the token migration. And honestly, that really got to me because we've been paused for 36 days.
Yeah.
And there was a good 4 months at least.
He had a ton of fucking time, dude.
So don't give me that shit.
Yep.
But anyway. It is what it is.
No, he dumped on our heads, and then he fucking moved on and fucking aped it into something else and probably lost it and whatever, dude. It's like shows you.
I missed that whole conversation.
I prefer people that have fucking integrity and we can that are the true fucking degens in this community that care about what we're doing here. So I got no time for fucking bullshit. bullshit people. So
Yeah, I missed that whole conversation right when you started talking. It like for some reason my audio had cut out.
yeah. Oh, okay. Well,
I have to.
where did you stop at?
Right when I asked you the question of did one wreck the other one, and you said we all know how fell he is, and then
Oh
that's
yeah,
about all.
because he was calling out fucking SK saying that he was fucking dumping elephant money, which he never did, and then fucking he went on a fuck. It's pinned in the chat right now. You can go read it. Like he called him out on all the fucking shit that he's done. Like we just know he's a dumper, dude. That's what he does. He fucking dumps. He
Yeah.
fucking and that's why he only deals with his fucking his devs because he can collude with his devs to set it up to dump on everybody perfectly. That's what he does, dude. That's the type of person he is. So and I just had enough of him, dude. Like just that's why I only deal with my devs and fucking coming back with fucking bullshit every time something goes south. Like he has something to say, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm about sick of your ass, dude. I'm telling you right now, I'm not getting into anything you're promoting. You fucking suck my dick, and that's pretty much it.
You said that to Sally?
Yeah, I said I don't trust you, and fucking a whole bunch of it's in the fucking videos that I posted earlier. I just called him out. I was like, dude, I don't fucking trust you. You dumped on my community. You've proven to be the person that you are, and like I just don't fucking trust you, and I'm not getting in anything you're fucking showing. So, and it has nothing to do with anybody else. Like, I don't fucking, necessarily have a problem with Kaz or anybody else. It's just him personally, like, he can get fucked. So, so it is what it is, man. He's just proven his worth to me. That's all. So don't come at me fucking with all this bullshit, fucking trying to call out other people when fucking, when thinking your shit don't stink. So, yeah, there's a reason why people bring up fucking things. When you have integrity, people don't just make up stories about you like that. Like you don't see people going around making up stories about me fucking dumping on people's heads and colluding and fucking and being all shady because I'm not a shady person. I love my community and I care about them. And it really sucks when we take a little hit like we did yesterday. But we brush ourselves off, we move on, and we learn from this lesson. It's fucking. This just sucks. The space is fucking full of shitbags like this, and it really hurts, man. And it when people are trying to do good things in the space, it lowers the amount of trust and the amount of support that good developers and good teams have when shit like this happens. Because
I'll be right back. I gotta pump gas.
Yeah, cool. Because you could have a great project, but people aren't going to trust you if this shit keeps happening. Left and right.
Yeah.
It's like, and then
No,
they're
you're
not going to
absolutely
support
right,
you
man.
because, it's like, it really puts a hurt on the space. I'm fucking sick of this shit.
Bloody Drax and Irv.
That's why we're going to do better, Donnie.
That's right. So Drax and Irv actually asked about your circulate entry. So it depends on how you. He didn't lose much, but he did. I think what you said, 6 cheese.
Yeah, 6K wasn't much.
Yeah,
that's a small entry for me. Like I was going light,
Yeah.
But,
would you believe it? Bloody Greenwood's already started up an accountability chat for them.
Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Yeah, but we don't know the guy. I mean, he came out the gate. I mean, the thing is, he was a really good talker, and his AMAs were solid. He was on point, answering questions like like I like to hear questions answered clear and like right away. No fucking. He was just a good talker, man. The dude could fucking sell ice to an Eskimo, that kind of guy,
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Like there's it's just lesson learned, whatever. Like that just goes to show that. You just got to go light when people brand new projects are coming in the space, swinging their dick, thinking they're all that, and when they don't have shit. He had on the site that he had he was showing the trades and stuff like that, which is something. I mean the UI and everything looked really good. Like it was something that we hadn't really seen. But for him to fucking rug so quick, man, with bringing in $2 million in 24 hours, dude, that was the dude could have at least let it go a little while, and let people let people get some of their, but it's just whatever. Obviously his intentions were just to fucking be a shitbag right out the gate. So, but it's not the first time.
See,
It probably
the
won't
thing
be the last
is,
time. And
now
just,
I'm not laying no accusations here or nothing, but you remember the other day on the stream when I said, this UI, this front end looks like it was done by a team that knows what they're doing.
Yeah.
You know how they grabbed the Pancake UI kit and then basically built that website.
Yeah.
Drax, I'll respond to you in a second about that, mate. So just finishing my point about this Pancake thing, there are only a few teams out there who can legitimately run that shit and tweak it to the level and extent that they did. We're not just talking using pieces. We're talking, and I've seen to the detail that they were, because I understand the kit as well, that they actually had to engineer custom controls and like dialogues and all that sort of thing to make that site use it. So this is a team who clearly knew what the hell they were doing. They were paid well, or they was trained well, and that's so. What's interesting is apparently the MMF team aren't so clean either.
Oh yeah.
Oh really?
Mad Meerkat, yeah, and if you look very carefully, Mad Meerkat, direct fork of Pancake, just on Crow and Polygon first.
Wow.
So
and Drax, that's not something I completely believe in. Like with the way regulations are and shit like that, like and people are their privacy, like they have a right to their privacy and shit. Like if their heart's in the right space and they're doing the right thing, I don't believe that all fucking projects and all developers should be doxxed and should be out there. I mean, there's plenty in the past that we've had that haven't shown their face. Donnie's never shown his face, but he's a solid dude, So like, I don't believe in that point of view. I mean, I believe to a certain extent, maybe, but what do you have to say about it, Donnie?
Yeah, so look, I'll respond and say that, look, I understand exactly where you're coming from, Drax, but I firmly disagree. I work as, I like to think that I work as a DeFi developer. I'd like to see the aspirations of DeFi truly be what we prosper to use in this space. I think that's the way forward. Now, DeFi does not have an author. It doesn't matter who writes the code. It's about what the code does. That's why I'm such a proponent of not only, not doxing oneself, but also of using open source code that's MIT licensed. That's why I'm so, on point with, getting contracts verified. That's why, I place such an emphasis on letting people see the code and see what's inside, because that's actually what matters, You don't know the admin chick who wrote the contracts that you and Mr. Businessman are going to sign with you, later on down the track. You just know that contract was written in good faith because you can see the terms that it's written on, right? The same applies to a digital contract and a digital signature. So, to be perfectly honest, I don't think that the way of, doxing oneself is always going to be the way forward. I am actually privately doxed to the DGen protocol board. All 5 of the guys know my face, and I'm sure they can somewhat remember my name.
Yeah,
but...
I think DeFi anonymity and privacy and all that shit goes hand in hand, honestly, because like this is decentralized finance. We shouldn't be in control and have to have our fucking. We should have the right to our privacy and the right to control our money and the way we want to fucking do it. That's what this is all about at the end of the day. So,
that's like, even when like we've had to give, like, say we're in a project and there's a problem and we have to give them our address. I don't do anything wrong, so I'm not worried about that. But at the same time, it's almost like you're allowing someone to go through your underwear drawer. You know what I mean? To fix the problem.
Yep. Yeah.
Address. And it's not because I have anything to hide. It's just because, then there's people that'll sit here and go through everything. Then they know everything I've done, every move I've made, and they know it's me, as opposed to if they look on chain, they look on BSC scan, it's just a wallet.
We got plenty of DJs in our community that have never shown their face. Like they have a right to their privacy. But they're good people. There's plenty of fucking people out there like that. So like.
And it's exactly like ZenFun said in the comments here as well, which I wholeheartedly agree with. Open source is worth way more than doxing anyway. So,
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you.
All right, sweet. Did anyone get to look inside the Circulate contract, or was that totally hidden? Look, I'll be honest. I did not look at the code. I aped in with $40. So, I mean, yeah.
Like for me, I just as soon as all these bots started, bot, I was like, it's not that I don't think any of them are legit. It's just I haven't had good experiences with bots.
Yeah. No, see, and look, as I said, no, I did not get to look at the contract code. I don't know whether it was verified or not, but this is exactly why I say that, on the same token of, the fact that, yeah, okay, it's a rug, we do need to be more careful with what comes around the community,
Yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, it's nobody's fault, but, it's this shitbag that clearly finessed his way through acting to get where he did. I mean, wow.
Yeah.
It's actually interesting. I was talking to the guys on the voice chat this morning, and they were saying, that there's, that they want to go the whole DeFi governance type thing. And I actually played devil's advocate after reading something from Andre Cronje, the guy who created Yearn Finance or whatever. He was actually saying from one of his blog entries about Solidly Dex 1.0 when it first come out that he actually believes it will never truly be possible to achieve community DeFi governance, for the simple fact is that regardless of which permutation or group of people you have out there, there will always be a psychopath in the midst.
Right.
So
I'll just change the name of this to Rugged Money.
Don, can you give some advice on how to read the contract?
Another one bites the dust. How's my mic?
Your mic's good. Let me see if I can find it for you. Irv, hold up. BSC scan. I'll see what I can find. Hold up. No promises.
Check.
Yeah, yep. Check.
We're good. All right, so let's get back to it. And Real Life Fund still doing really good. He actually made an announcement in his Telegram channel today. He's like, "Don't worry, guys, we're not going anywhere." So, what other fucking projects do? Don't because people are bringing in a bunch of FUD.
What are you doing?
Are you guys gonna rug next? That kind of vibe. But that's what happens, man. You get these motherfuckers.
Lights.
Talking all that
Lights.
Hold up.
Damn it, Jennifer cannot turn on the lights on my truck.
So I'm glad I went heavier into this one and not the other one. Watch out, baby.
Dude, fucking.
Oh, man.
I'll be right back.
Where's my good puppies? All right, so yeah, that's printing out.
I'm trying to have a look at this code here and see what actually happened. Like,
what are you trying to do?
I'm looking at the code behind the BUSD pool of Rugulate.
Of what? Which one?
Circulate, Rugulate.
Oh, regulate. That's funny. Yeah, is there anything left in that thing?
There's like 17 BNB in the contracts that I found.
Really?
Yeah.
Is the site even still up? Like, I didn't try to refresh it. It says I can get $188, but I tried it this morning and it didn't work. So.
Yeah, nah, server down.
Server down? Yeah.
Yep.
Figures. Another one bites the dust. Sorry for anyone's losses out there. Fucking shitbags.
Wow. So, what the fuck? That is just hold up. Withdraw capital. Is that the function? Is that ID deposit state ID? Okay, require. Okay, can. Huh? Okay, no, that's a user action. Never mind. I'm really trying to go through this and just find what the hell went wrong. Yeah, no, there's really nothing you can do. At this stage, yeah, nothing you can do.
Yeah.
You may as well write it off, unapprove the BUSD, and
write it off on my
yeah.
taxes. Oh shit! We got 21 people out there, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing today?
Yeah. What's up, Cat?
Let's hit it like old times.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shit. Okay, so let's.
Wow, that guy got awfully close.
Poor Irv. Thanks, Chris. Just went deaf.
Oh.
Dude, we tried to use that to wake up fucking Morpheus the other day, and he wouldn't even wake up to that.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, really? He wouldn't even wake up to that?
No. I didn't play the whole song just because we're trying to keep it a little bit more G-rated lately, but I played it enough to where you get that initial, what the fuck?
That's funny.
Whenever I watch Jennifer drive, it doesn't make sense how she drives. Like, she'll pick the one lane that's not moving. Everything else is moving, and so she'll get into that one and stay there. Oh, this one's not moving. We should be in this one. And I have to follow her right now because she's driving my truck, and I don't know what would happen if she gets pulled over in my truck with ASN plates because she's not an ASN. So I need to be behind her. So that way, if she did get pulled over, I was there to be like, yeah, it's mine.
What is it? Does it look like a regular plate, or is it?
Yeah, I took pictures and sent it into the boardroom chat.
Oh, okay.
It looks a little different, but yeah.
It's got like a special logo on the plate or something.
Yeah, special logos and I can't like customize. I couldn't customize like what it said, like how the Beamer and the Corvette both had Bitcoin related tags before. Now I don't get to do custom shit like that anymore.
So what's the difference? I'm looking at the plate here. I don't. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Private property, not for hire, huh?
Yeah. Well, that's cool. What it is. That's what makes it where, because like even how Alcephus was saying, most people don't know, even including cops. But technically, if you're not like in driver, for work and commerce, you technically don't need all that stuff. It's just we've gotten so used to
get in here earlier. Is he still out there?
I don't know. I heard someone trying to get in, but
I'll see if you're, dude. That's pinned every day in the chat, bro. Just go to the chat. If you're still out there. But yeah.
I'm gonna jump off, guys. Get back to work.
Okay, cool, man. Get your work on.
Peace.
See you. Man, my truck is nice though. I don't drive it enough, and I don't ever get to see it like this from another angle. I mean, I don't got no TRX, but it's
Right.
nice. I keep thinking I want to like do the exhaust on my truck. I've had it for like 10 years wanting to do the exhaust, but now I'm at the point where I don't know how much longer I'll have it because eventually I need to get something bigger that has a more tow capacity. I need like a 2500 Duramax or something like that.
Plus 79.82. 213.69 on the ARC. The Noah's Ark.
Hey, how much did you end up getting back on that one before they rugged last night? Did you get anything back out of it?
Not really. Got I don't think I got anything. I think I might have topped it off with what I got out of it. So
Damn.
before
Even me,
before they filled
up
I'm
usually. Go ahead.
Before they filled up, because they were about to hit the cap, so I was just trying to get as much as I could in there before they filled the cap, and I was able to get 6,100 in there, which almost got me $200 a day. I was like, damn. It. That was an extra $200 a day. Now it's gone.
And like me, I'm like usually one of the more skeptical and conservative ones with new shit. And I felt, even though I didn't touch that one, I felt, well, if they're gonna shut it down instead of letting people pump it, it brought a lot better, more of a feeling that it was legit. You know, like why would they cut it off? You know, if they could have made more.
I know, dude. Like, what kind of scammer doesn't want to make more money?
Right. Unless it was smart because he knew then that you know, they knew that they would less likely be called out for being scammers until it's too late.
Yeah. I don't know, man. It's one of them things. You know, this is still the wild, wild west.
Yeah. Dude, I watched a video on Enron today. Do you remember Enron when we were younger in our early 20s?
Yeah, I gotta watch that one that you were talking about too. The
Madoff one. Dude, I saw for the hell of it, I looked into Enron. Enron, it was like another dude, and I found all these other huge companies that were like complete fucking scams that were like highly traded on the fucking stock market and everything. Like not just Enron, there was a lot of them are attached to Democrats, dude. What's funny now, Enron was actually attached to the Republicans, to the Bushes.
Oh, okay.
But a lot of these like big companies that turn out to be huge scams are attached to fucking the Democrats.
That's funny,
like
dude.
SBF.
That shit was like that like it was just a 40-year Ponzi. That's insane, dude.
It was something like $65 billion.
Wow.
Yeah, with a B.
Man. That is crazy shit.
Yeah, could you imagine? But I mean, because of his namesake, you know.
Right.
Well, you know, when people would find out, because it was a big secret who the investor was, but when people found out it was Madoff, they were like, "Oh hell yeah, this can't get any more legit."
Right.
Because of the name, you know, because Bernie Madoff. But it's crazy because now because I've been like seeing all these other like big on YouTube. I've been watching a lot of these big company scams, dude, and it blows my mind how many like multi-billion-dollar companies like Madoff and Enron and SBF are not like few and far between. There's a lot of these major companies that do this shit.
I know, and it's funny, they're all connected to Democrats, huh?
Yeah, not all of them, but most of them. Enron was like a big Bush donor. But the Bushes, to me, the Bushes are just like the Democrats. They're that establishment. You know, I don't care if they're Republican or not. They're not good.
Right.
Yeah, a lot of them. It's funny because a lot of these have actually been of these scams in the last like 10, 15 years, 20 years have been attached to the Hillary Clinton and the Clinton Foundation.
Wow.
I watched
Shocker.
watched today. After I watched the Enron one on YouTube, then it started playing me more and more of the same kind of shit, like all these big tech companies and stuff that were, these people were so wonderful and trying to save lives, and they're donating all this money to Democrats, and then they're a big scam.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of them. Like one was a company, they had to do with like blood testing and like lab testing, and they were called. It was a female CEO, and it was called Testco or Testico, something like that. They were like a $48 billion company or some shit. Yeah, nice. That company, though, if I remember correctly, they were a $48 billion company, and they were another scam. Another one attached to the fucking Clintons and the
Gemini
Democrats.
getting charged. That's funny. Wow. That's PCM's go-to exchange.
They're getting charged by the SEC?
Drax, the website was app.circulate.money.
Hey, why is Gemini getting charged by the SEC?
I don't know. That's what Hextweaker said.
Man, they are fucking going after. I'm surprised they're going after so many crypto things at once. You'd think they would try and go after one and then the next, but they're just pouring it on. They're going after Richard Hart. They're going after Gemini. They're going after SBF. I heard they're investigating Binance.
Yeah.
There's other ones too that aren't they still going after David Peterson, or are they finally done with that?
No, he's done. They're done with that. He got like a $250,000 fine or something.
Dude, he's so lucky because every one of these little things I watch of these companies that are cons, these people are getting 20 years, 50 years, over 100 years.
Yeah.
Which I never realized they could give you that kind of time before I started more recently when I started looking into it, because they were talking about how Caroline from Alameda could get up to like 110 years or whatever. And I was like, what? 110 for civil shit? Like, I know they can turn it criminal, but I thought turning it criminal means like you go to like Club Fed for a year or two, not freaking the rest of your life in prison.
Crazy.
Yeah, the legit finance world has got so many scams in it. Like, I'm learning more and more, like, holy shit. They're worried about crypto, yet there's all these legit companies that are really pure scams.
What the hell? Did I just send 110? ENG.
Man, you guys know I was in there be fucking the first 15 minutes of the show and shit. I was in the fucking waiting room. Shane jumped in. I'm like,
why don't you say so? I can't see when I'm on my phone.
I don't know. I was like, man, okay. Like,
just DM the fucking chat.
I hung out and just like, come back on later and shit. I figured Donnie was saying something important. And you know how I get excited and talk over people.
Well, I can't hear the beeps in my truck. That's the problem.
Oh, okay. No, I thought maybe Donnie was saying something important.
You just have to get in the chat and tell me to let you in.
Okay.
So
hey, did I hit you on Snapchat on accident?
Yeah, you did.
I did that shit till my finger hurt.
What the hell?
So no snow, Shane? Because ain't it supposed to come back? Ain't it supposed to go through again or something?
I thought we were supposed. But they said we were supposed to have so much snow from this last, week, and we didn't. But
yeah, no.
My almost all the snow's melted now, though.
No, they said they're supposed to get like another storm coming through. Maybe just like they said San Joaquin County.
Fuck.
So maybe it's not going to be up that, saying that high.
Fuck that up.
Yeah, but the mountains around us are just completely covered in snow still. But for the most part, I mean, there's in the shade we still have snow.
No, at least once a year we go up to the mountains. There's like a little casino right there. There's a casino gas station, truck stop type thing. And there's like a little place where the kids go there, play in the snow for like 15 minutes. They get their hands freezing and then, little restaurant there. But that's about the closest thing I get to the snow. There's a couple places out here to I want to say like I think it's Bear Valley out here or Big. I can't remember the ones that are out here. There's a couple places and shit, I guess, that have snow. Oh man! Hey, find some energy. I need to drink a cup of coffee so I can stay up later. So I can sleep in longer. So I go to bed later so I can stay sleep longer. Because once 5 hours hits, I'm up. Man, 5 hours is 5 hours. So we done talking about the drama, the wrestling match, the boxing match. What was it? Who won?
We got it out.
Who won? Who won?
Really no winners.
Yeah. There's no winners when you lose a friend. Respect. Only thing you have in this space is your word, your balls, and your respect. That's it.
Yeah.
Well, the one thing that people never have to worry about with our team is us rug pulling, because we've had plenty of times in the last year for starters.
That's it. Yep. Still haven't sold a single sheep.
Yeah, I can't say that.
Yeah. Yeah, we know you can't. Oh shit.
Oh man, I was so excited yesterday and shit on a damn phone call. I forgot if I could claim my ARC and shit for like 4.5 hours, almost 5 hours late. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah. That sucks.
Yeah. But I still got. Oh, I don't give a damn. I know. How many days is that shit? I know it's far away. I know it's after my birthday. But in 122 days, my shit's gonna fucking max payout on Furio. I shouldn't be this excited about 40-something dollars and shit, but
it's your first time ever maxing out, huh?
First time, bro. You know what I'm saying? I always touched it, played with it, you know what I'm saying? Stacked it around, spent it, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Treated it like a whore, you know what I mean? No offense, but I didn't mean I treated Drip like a whore, but I treated Drip pretty fucking bad. Yeah, what is Drip price? 69 cents. It's liking that number.
Yeah, staying right about 60-something cents.
60, 70.
Hey, are you still on the animal farm with your pigs?
I'm just waiting for the taxes to run out on the dog pound.
Okay. What's your taxes at now?
I think one of them's at. Hang on. %76%.
Yeah, I sold mine.
Like 50. So I still got like a few more days.
Yeah.
A few more weeks, something like that. Yep.
What happened to the new UI and all that shit?
Drax has a question for you.
For who?
For you. Where'd
What?
Shane go?
Hold on, let me go back to fucking. What's up? Let me go to the fucking YouTube. What was the question? I'm getting to the screen so I can read it. What?
He didn't have the question. He just said he has a question.
Oh, I have no idea. Yeah, you're asking the wrong person on that one. But there is the pulse chain testnet part.
Miniature launch.
Third, they're on fucking. I got caught out so mad right now. 3. They're not on 2 no more. They're on 3 now. So they're getting closer. You know. For the pulse chain testnet, that's 3, I guess. Yeah, dude. I say, dude, I love. I got sacrifices and a little bit. I got little sprinkles of sacrifices, in a bunch of shit. You know what I'm saying? And so, I mean, not like these guys, but man, shit. I'd take a pocket full of something.
Yeah, I hope it ends up launching. That'll be nice.
Fuck yeah, I would.
There's a whole lot of fucking FUD out there.
Yeah. Now there's still a lot of development going on pulse chain.
At this point, I'll believe it when I see it.
Oh yeah.
At this point, holy shit.
Dabs. Actually, we will be doing our first remake game this Monday. So we're gonna get off of that site right there, and we're having something remade for us. So that way we could be special and different and advertise more, of course. Everyone get. No, actually, we're thinking about doing like classic games, like say checkers, for instance, right? It could be Sheep could be Pulse X, and I could be Pulse, and we can play checkers against each other. We're doing basic arcade classic shit like that. I'm saying we're just remaking it, and it'll be okay. It's gonna be okay. You know, we can hang out and talk and bullshit and jump in a voice chat. You know, what I'm saying just like the good old days, hang out and play video games and shit. You know, like you get a high score, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh yeah, don't worry. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'll be trying to win that fucking prize money and shit. Don't give a fuck. You know, where was I at? Shit. Oh yeah, I'll look at Animal Farm.
What we got today?
Yeah.
So 347.11 from Furio.
I still haven't made a single dollar off my fucking Furbot NFT. Arc is doing good, but yeah, dude, I'm gonna have to throw something in Arc sooner than I wanted to. This net deposit value is I'm under 300 now, so I'm like, I think I need to feed it a little bit. You think it's gonna stay around this price?
What?
The Arc. You think Arc is gonna hover around 570?
Yeah, I'm fine with it, man. If it just does what it's doing, we'll be fine.
That's what I'm saying. I kind of want to think about just saying topping it up a little bit, like dropping like maybe another 1,000 in there.
Oh wow, 55 plus 47. Plus 47. 02. I must have forgot this one yesterday. Oh, I did. So 102.03 EMP money.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. Move that. Let me get that. We got 20 people out there, guys. How y'all doing today? Oh, I can't wait till February.
Me too.
Oh, yeah. Well, what you got going on?
It's my birthday.
Oh, okay.
Motherfucker.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
Yeah, fucking we're gonna rent a little fucking hall and shit and have a big celebration and shit. Normally me and two of my friends, our birthdays like within like 7 days of each other, like kind of like right there. So for the last like 8 years we've been having a big ass birthday party together. But this year we're gonna do a little extra and shit since No. My birthday's in February. I'm a love child, baby. I'm a love child.
Nice.
But
Sweet. All right. So that's that. What else we got here? Relife Fund. Still got till the 17th. Got 683 piled up in there. That'll be nice to get when I get it. Rugged money. I guess there's nothing coming out of there anymore. Piston. Go ahead and get my pistons. Claim.
Oh man, that was crazy. I don't know, dude. As soon as I heard that they raised it from 1 million to 2 million, I was like, oh man, it's a money grab.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a little strange, but
Yeah.
I was good with it. Whatever. I mean, these other ones have raised their limits too, so it's like
Oh,
it was a
really?
red
Yeah.
flag, but not a huge red flag. I was just like, whatever. And then it filled up so fast, I was like, damn.
Oh yeah, they got overexcited. They like
Like,
jizzed all over themselves. Like,
I'm like, damn, I hope all these people don't get wrecked. Yeah. And they did.
Did anybody fucking find where the money went? Anybody following the money?
I don't think it.
Maybe.
I mean, even if you do, like, what do you? Yeah, it went to Tornado Cash.
Oh.
Yeah. So 3502 from Piston. $35.02. So I got like $70 back, and I only have like probably 6,000 to go. We'll see. That's probably not going to happen, but
like I say, man,
because I heard their liquidity is tanking. So
Arc and Furio, that's my life raft right now and shit.
tell you, Furio and Arc are actually turning out to be pretty damn good little drip clones, or whatever you want to call them.
Hey, is Scratchy still
Money's
coming out?
money.
Is Scratchy coming out this month?
Money's money. I've already printed $697 today, so I ain't complaining. What? Scratchies?
Yeah, when Scratchy's coming out?
Sooner or later, he's doing the stable swap thing or something. It's like, when can the Scratchies get here already? Like, he keeps throwing shit like before it. So, like, hopefully that's coming next. I think that's gonna be next.
I thought we were getting the UI. I thought we were getting the new UI in the middle of the month. It's the middle of the month. Well, in 3 days is the 15th. Yeah. So 3 days is the middle of the month.
Yeah. Yeah. Give that another day. This piggy bank's just getting nothing. Maybe a refresh will help.
Time step was wrong.
All right. Oh shit! It actually did. Yeah, the numbers are a little higher now. So let's
I do that shit on Arc sometimes.
Some of them anyway. I'm gonna get raped on these small ones though. Maybe I'll just go for the. Let's go for the bigger ones. Fuck it. So. What are you doing? Crazy dog.
See, I want to make a pot of coffee. But I'm not trying to be up like too late. You want a cup of coffee?
I'm not doing that. I drank some coffee on my stream the other night. I couldn't get to sleep till like midnight, dude.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck.
I want to make it a cup of coffee, but
I was wrecked. Let's see what we got. 1717. All right. We'll count it. 1717, baby. From the piggy bank. I remember when I was pulling like $2,000 a day out of this thing.
Hey, it sounds like my child support check. $17.
Right.
Hey, you know what? I'm kind of curious about right now. Because my second wife actually worked a lot of this year, and I've been getting child support checks, right? So I wonder if she files taxes if I'm getting any of that back paying child support. I'm really curious.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Midnight Madness. Absolutely. It's just building up right now in the rewards account. It's just we don't have we didn't have a whole lot of volume coming in because I think most of the people that got into the NFTs and just kind of sat on it for a minute. So right now we're looking at let's see, Syndicate. What's the price of fucking ARC? We got 113 in there right now. Price of ARC 568. 568 times 113. It's at $641. I think I'll let it go a little bit longer. Maybe we'll do it at a grand or something because there's like 81 people in here. So right now, if we do
between 81 people, it's only $7.92 per person. So you know. But yeah, we definitely are gonna do it, and over time, it'll get higher and higher. You know, it's just I'm doing a little bit of a because first and foremost, I did put about $3,000 or $4,000 into that account to kick it off, and I do want to ROI a little bit of my my initial.
You need an ROI.
After getting right for 6K, yeah.
Shut up, that shit.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, so I'm just trying to collect a little bit of that, and then yeah, because yeah, I think that's only fair. I mean, I did put a lot of fucking money in there. But let me get the dog out.
Okay, now I ain't gonna say nothing. Airdrop, airdrop, airdrop. Now, like I say, maybe when everyone could get like
Actually,
two,
I can see what
or something. Maybe when
what
everyone.
I've actually withdrawn. 152. 152. Love you guys. You guys helped change my life. Nice. Well, I love it, man. That's what I like to hear. That's why I do this shit. So.
All right, back. I get me a cup of coffee.
But yeah, I'm definitely gonna take care of you guys. Right on, man. I'll be here. And let's see. This one was 272, 62, or 272. Whoops. 272, 68 times. What was the price? 568. So yeah, I got about 2,400 back between the two accounts, so I'm still a little shy. But what I'm gonna start doing soon, I'll probably start doing it. We'll shoot for the because I think this thing's gonna go a long time anyway. You know, I'll probably shoot at the beginning of the month because February I'm gonna have a really good month with all my my hedge funds paying out and all that shit. I'm probably gonna take this because I've been doing like a 65, 25, 15. Or whatever on that. I'll probably flip those around and do 25 on that, and then I'll feel confident that I'm going to get my ROI, and then all you guys will get paid out, and this will start growing a little bit faster. I'll do the airdrop slider a little bit more because we want to keep the compound up. We want to continue to climb this balance as much as we can. That's why I encourage you guys. Like I honestly feel like there's not going to be any rugs here with ARK. I feel like. Don't be afraid to invest a little bit more if you guys can, because every time you guys do, the referral rewards are going to kick up more, and that way this account will build a lot more. And it's building nicely. I mean, it's getting there. So if we all work together, we can help build this thing up. And it'll be a nice little payday for everybody. So squeaky voice. Oh, what did I? Oh shit!
Whoops. Sorry, I must have hit the. Yeah, every time I hit the divide button. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, no, we're definitely like these rewards aren't going anywhere. They're gonna be dropped. That's your money, guys. So definitely take care of my people. You guys know when we were in drip, I was giving out like $30,000 a month. So I definitely take care of you guys. Just this one's a little bit slower to take off because obviously it's a little bit different. We don't get the price appreciation that we were getting with drip. Obviously we had a lot of price appreciation and there were a lot of good days in drip, so we had a lot of fun with that one. So yeah, I'm excited about ARK. I think it's a lot more sustainable, and we'll be able to sustain the price for a lot longer, I think. So it's gonna be good. USD. Take that, swoopy swap. And then what was I doing? I was in the middle of doing something when he interrupted me. AFP. Whatever. It's nothing. What was that? AFP. Pigpen is what? AFP and pigs and BUSD, right? Okay. Yeah, I got that. All right. So now I got that logged. Yeah, so I think we'll just shoot for the we'll probably just shoot for the first of, so in 2 weeks, like about 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and drop that. It's not going to be much, and then I'll go ahead and switch the slider around, and we'll get a little bit more going into the airdrops. And I still want to keep the compounding somewhat high because we want to keep that account building nice and fat, you know, at a nice pace. So I think that'll be the best for everybody, because if it builds slow, then the airdrops are just going to be slow anyway, you know. So yeah, I think that's fair. I'll go ahead and yeah, because I want everybody to be happy and happy that they're a part of the DGen protocol community. Let's see, Stampede. Oh, here we go. Let's get some fucking Stampede. Get my little peanuts from this one. I remember when I used to make some money with this one. This was like $1,000 a day at one time. Now it's like $40 fucking dollars. Hopefully BT turn it around. Come on, BT, let's do it. Yeah, 49 bucks. I will take it. Oh, wait, let me that exact number, 648.16. Yeah, I got tax season coming up, man. That's gonna be a pain in my ass because all this money I'm making is just going to the fucking man. But sorry, I got a lot of write-offs, and I'll be able to buy a house this year finally. So that'll be cool if everything doesn't rug on us. 697. It's just sketchy, man. Doing this shit for a living, like, like every day, you never know if everything's just gonna crash and burn on you, you know. Like that's, you know, it's a nice. I mean, I like it. I love doing the full-time crypto thing, but it can be stressful, guys. Like it's not all sunshines and rainbows, as you can see from yesterday. What happened? It's definitely not all happy all the time, man. Like anything can happen. Like I could lose it all in one day. If the hedge fund were to like collapse, like if all that shit went down and all these fucking collapse, I'd have to go back to work. You know, so like this is definitely wait, what did I just do? Okay, yeah, Stampede. Okay, cool. This is definitely like I'm blessed to have the community I have and be where I'm at, you know. But at the same time, like anything could happen and this could all be gone tomorrow, you know. So and I do appreciate each and every one of you supporting us, supporting me throughout the years. You know, last couple of years have been really, really fucking cool. Hey, you want to come on the stream, man? Note it all? You want to come on? You guys have been a blessing, man. Because honestly, if it weren't for you guys, like I wouldn't be where I'm at, you know, because we've all done this together. We've all been through this together and become what we are. You know, we're like a force to be reckoned with now. You know, all the great opportunities, you know, every now and then we get little shit opportunity that fucking rugs us. But, you know, I think all in all, we've been doing pretty good. The last 2 years have been pretty fucking good. We got some good developers out there, good teams doing some good shit, trying to do some good things in the space, and it's changed a lot of our lives. So I do appreciate you guys every day, and don't think I don't, because my life's a lot different than it was living in a shed a few years ago. So appreciate you guys. It's really a dream come true, you know. You guys are fucking awesome. So, and it just goes to show, man, if you don't give up on your dreams, man, anything's possible in this world, in this life. So just never give up. Never give up. So, yeah, you guys fucking rock. Thank you. Thank you so much. Little tearjerker there. But yeah. What's up, Mr. Note It All in the house? We got Mr. Big on the stream to wreck it all today. So what's up, man? You want to give us some? You calling the shit, man? You calling the breaks this week, huh? Calling the plays.
Hey, man, do what I can for you guys. Let me
What
see.
you got? Want to pull it up? You have the floor.
Cool, man. I don't have that much time, but I just.
Now give us all you got.
I want to make
Whatever
sure
you-
everyone's been following along and been able to benefit from it, because these opportunities don't come around very often, right?
I know, man. Like you only get one opportunity per bull market, right? It's like hunting season.
It is like hunting season, and if you're able to capitalize on the opportunity when they arise, you want to stay in those opportunities. You know, and you want to profit from it, right? That's the whole thing, right? So, I do what I can to provide my analysis and my insight
Thanks, Tab.
as to where I think the markets are going. And
Oh, is
listen,
that
man,
we get another breakdown?
it's tough to be a weatherman, right?
Right.
The weatherman can be
I know,
wrong
right?
sometimes, man. So I do my best to give you guys, what I think is going to happen, and I see some patterns developing, some major structures developing, and
I see that. I see that little rising wedge break into the bottom side of a tether, huh?
that's right. So, but we're sitting on a support, right? So we want
Right.
to actually close this candle below support. My guess is we get a bounce here, right? So we did get some big breakouts, some big upside. There's going to be some profit taking. There's going to be people playing it cautious. We're still, in my opinion, we're still technically in this bear market until we actually make a closure below this support, and then we back test this 7.8 area as resistance. Okay, so this week we got the breakdown, right? We got the break of the trend line, right? Next week's the true test. So what's going to happen is this week, tomorrow might be a boring day. It might even be a down day, okay, or a sideways day. But going into the weekend, I think. We're not going to really see too much price action. We might see some altcoins rally or something. With
Thanks, GMG Vault. Appreciate it. Thanks for the kind words. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So what we're really looking for here is, a break of this support, and then next week we'll get a new candle, and we'll hopefully just back test this as resistance, and then this line in the sand right here is the line that we're looking at to remain as resistance, so that we can see a bull market.
Downside,
we can see a bull market, right?
Yeah.
And then this is where down here, okay, if you've entered trades up here, all right, once Tether gets all the way the F down back here, you're talking about probably seeing anywhere from like 3 to 5x on some of these coins, all right, and that's when you probably want to secure some of your profit.
Yeah, right.
All right. I mean, you don't want to be greedy, right?
Of course.
We could end up just coming back down to back test this area here, which makes the most sense. This was a breakout, right? A breakout, and now we're going to see this back test, and this back test is going to create that big retracement for Bitcoin going into probably end of Q1 here. We'll probably see the next couple of months. We'll probably see some nice upside, and I think that's when all these noobs are gonna like start buying into tops again, and like they're gonna get caught up in this pump, right? So, but we're already in these trades, so we're good. If you took trades along this movement up here and the assets were falling when you were buying them, that's the right thing to be doing. Dollar cost averaging.
Are you saying we might not be out of the woods if this support holds and we get another little?
So I think we're gonna, like I said, I think we're gonna see a short-term move up, like going into like March, April. Okay. And that's what this is gonna look like. We're gonna come down to this major level of support and probably not break it, right? It'll probably do something like this where it comes up, okay, and maybe it makes a lower high, okay, and maybe makes some sort of double top, right, and then maybe eventually it breaks it. And by this time, while we do something like this, this is that retest. This is okay. So we're gonna get this
mid bull market area.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this breakdown. Okay, we're going to get this breakdown, and everyone's gonna start becoming bullish. Really, the people are gonna start getting bullish when Tether's down here. Oh man, we're going into a bull market. Bitcoin's at 40K. That's what happens when we get down here. That's when, if you're smart, you de-risk a lot of your altcoin positions, and you just let them ride into 2025, because at that point you're either in a free trade or you took some profit, and you doesn't really matter to you. Like you don't need the money, hopefully, that you
Right.
left
Okay.
in this market, right? But yeah, we're probably going to do something. I think this is the whole game plan for this year. So this is the trajectory I'm seeing maybe for Tether for the rest of this year. This could be a whole year play, okay, where we come down. We obviously we're not going to break down right away. We'll just break down and then back test, then consolidate. Like Bitcoin's just not just going to just go straight up, right? Even though it did go straight down. I mean, it'll go straight up in the sense of it might take 3 to 6 months for it to go back up, right?
Okay.
Momentum to the upside takes time to build. It's like a stairs up, elevator down. Going down is so much easier than going up, right? Because we have gravity in this world.
Right.
So to get the momentum to go back to the upside, you either A, need a major catalyst or a major short squeeze, or both. And I think that's what we're seeing right now. We're seeing a bit of short squeezing happening right now down at these levels. We also have like some really, really good technicals that look good. Like, we're sitting at like 30 on the RSI on the weekly. The real smart money has been buying all the way down, right? So what's going to happen is they're going to eventually, within the next couple months here, they're going to start pumping out some good news, right? So they can get some exit liquidity, right? Because they're going to need to exit their positions. Right now they're talking about recession, right? Recession. Okay, and to me that just means the bottom is in, and they just want to keep people scared to not buy this bottom.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's all
psychology. It's all manipulation. Yeah.
So that's why Peter Schiff came out and said it's time to sell your Bitcoin. That means the bottom's in, right?
Yeah, usually. Right. I'm not. I don't want to sit here and like gloat about it or anything, but we've been talking about this since June, right? This wick high over here, this capitulation area right here. We knew when we hit this top of this channel here that this was probably the bottom, right? Bitcoin ended up making a lower low, but Ethereum did not. Ethereum's been outperforming Bitcoin, right? And the last thing I want to touch on here before I go is the yearly charts for Ethereum, all right? And first off, look, we can see that we actually broke this channel right here on ETH, right? We broke the channel, and we'll probably come up to test 1600, and that's where, like, in this area right here. So we're gonna get what's called the reversion to the mean, which is a reversion to the moving averages, right? And then we could probably pull back. Okay, we'll probably get up here and then come back down, right? And then maybe make a higher low and then continue our rally. And then, something like this where we could just continue the trajectory and hold this trend line. But we're going to see significant pullbacks along the way up. Nothing goes straight up. So that's ETH. But what I really want to cover with ETH here is, and I'm going to remove all these drawings and stuff because it looks like a very busy chart, is the yearly chart, okay? And the yearly chart's pretty important because if you look how the year closed last year, he's saying mid-March we could see the bottom. No, I think we've already seen the bottom. I think this is the bottom. But I could be wrong, right? Who knows?
You ain't wrong very often.
What the hell do you know?
What do I know? I just look at charts all day. Anyways, so yeah, you can see that ETH actually never really did not bearishly engulf the previous yearly candle, where Bitcoin did, right? Bitcoin did do that, and that's why I think Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin, and it's pretty clear just by looking at the yearly chart. And if we go to the ETH Bitcoin chart, I mean, look at this candle on the yearly, dude. That is one massive effing wick. Okay.
Wow.
You see wicks like this, dude, that is something not to ignore. Man, wow. And we're throwing a long signal on the weekly right now. ETH BTC. I mean, dude, this is a massive, massive flag pattern here. Okay. All right.
Wow.
So the clones of ETH are probably also going to do well because they follow ETH, right? Or they, like AVAX. So we saw AVAX rip out the other day, right, dude? Like, remember I mentioned that it was going to happen?
Yeah.
Look at this shit. Yeah. Look what it's going to do versus ETH. So ETH Bitcoin looks strong, right?
Uh-huh.
AVAX ETH is bottomed out. What's going to happen to AVAX?
Yeah, it's gonna rip, right?
It's gonna rip, dude. Yeah, it's gonna rip, big time rip.
And now they're doing that thing with Amazon, dude. That's like huge.
Oh, come on, bro. All these fucking news catalysts are gonna come out as soon as the price moves, right? They gotta justify the price move. Come on, man. So we saw the technicals set up, right? The technicals are set up.
That is good. I mean, if they're anything with Amazon,
it's great. It's great. It's great because obviously Amazon is driving the business, right?
Yeah.
And that's really good. But look at this. This is even better. So you have the top here, basically,
It's
right?
even better.
1, 2, 3 touches in there, rejected it. But what did we do this week? We just broke it. So
Oh.
it's
We
over.
think the bottom sexy.
That's dope,
All
dude.
right, man. So like you can see the receiving volume here. Look at that volume spike the other day. Boom. We saw what, like a 30% rip?
Yeah.
Dude, there was some dude in my community that took that trade setup, man, and he made more money than me. I'll openly admit it. He made more money than me, dude. He made $5,700 off the entry given at $14.50.
That was a huge spike, man. That was
Huge
crazy.
rip, dude. Huge breakout trade. Yeah. And I mean, look at this. This is beautiful stuff here down here on this RSI.
Oh, I love it.
What you want to be seeing on charts. All right.
Yeah,
and I
I
think
think
Bitcoin's also showing something like that. And
Might have to load up some more.
it actually just broke Bitcoin actually just broke a major resistance level here. This is why I think this is the bottom, guys, because of this right here. Right.
Okay.
So I know we only have two basically. You can see this trend line here. I mean, if you really want to draw it differently and you want to include that third peak, which you
Way
can,
below that 45, right?
it's still below the 45 on the weekly chart. Still a huge buy. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Bitcoin's still a huge buy down here. Every single time historically, we've come down to these oversold or red zones. These are all buying areas, okay? And when we start getting up here, this is when FOMO's kicking in. Oh my God, should I buy Bitcoin? No, man, you fucking missed it, dude. You shouldn't buy this. You missed it. You should not buy right here. Right? And so that's what's happening right now.
That was up.
Yeah.
Anyways,
that's dope. I love it.
Yeah. I mean, and we have obviously. I don't want to be a shill, but we have all these trading tools to help you guys out too. Like, I come on the show a lot, and you guys can see. Look, we had this long came in down here on the daily, consolidating. Finally got this breakout. We don't have a short signal yet. We're about to break this trading range, man. We're probably going to go test 21K.
Holy shit.
Right?
That's good. Ooh.
Look where we're going. This is probably where we're going. We're going to go and kiss and touch the 200 weekly moving average, which is right around that $25,000 region. We might reject that because that's a major level. And we might do something like this where we come up here and then we come back down and maybe we just sit down here for a bit before we really can recover. Okay.
Yeah.
And so something like that. I don't think we're making lower lows. I think we've already put this bottom in down here. We made a double bottom.
Yeah.
All right. On the weekly chart. And this week is confirming that with the volume that we're seeing right now. So we'll see if we can get it back above this $25,000 region. We might even rally past this. We might even get above it. Holy shit. We might even do that.
Yep. I got a bag of AVAX. I think I might actually buy some more if it's like looking like a buy like that. Just load up for the big rip.
You want me to give you my long-term perspective on AVAX?
Yeah, I love your long-term predictions.
Right. So we came down to the 618, which is the golden mean ratio, right? And we got a nice reaction rally off this level. So what we'll probably do is if Bitcoin continues its move up, I think we go and test about $30, okay, which is the top of this structure right here. There's obviously a big order block right here, okay? That's actually another indicator that we just finished developing, which is pretty good, is the OB. And OBs are really, we call them OBs, but they're basically just order blocks. And it gives you perspective. If you're like a swing trader or a day trader, you can see, like, look where this long came in, right down here in this discount zone, right? Boom. We got the counter trend long right at the bottom, right here on the day. By the way, these don't repaint. These are live in real time. So this counter trend long comes in here, and then we get a multi-range long confirmation. That's when you really want to take the trade. When you get two long signals down here at the bottom and you're sitting in the discount order block range, man, that's like, hey, dude, if you're not buying here, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. What are you doing? You're gonna watch it go? All right, watch it go.
Right. Watch it go. See ya.
Watch it go. See ya. There it is, the breakout, and then now the candles are becoming over. The candles are now becoming overbought here on the daily. But man, this thing's been so wrecked. It can stay overbought for quite some time. And this equilibrium area here, this is where the average price is, their average ranges. So yeah, $20 is probably a good place if you took a swing trade down here at 10. Dude, you're talking about doubling your money here. Okay, that's fucking awesome. This is on a daily chart. So like, if you zoom out, like we were just looking at a 3-day. Look, we got a 3-day long signal. Okay, do we have a weekly long signal? No, not yet. We do have a weekly counter trend. There's not enough data for the long signal though. But you know, that's why you want to look at like maybe like a 3-day chart. You know, the 3-day signal here was pretty good. Last time we saw about a 57% move off that signal, man. That's significant. You run a swing bot, dude. You just trade the 3-day chart and you look for entries on the daily. That's it. This indicator here is going to be included, or we might actually some gentleman helped us develop this, so we might actually let him in on the revenue share for that. But
what's your long term, like if we break like the all-time high, like where do you think this thing?
Oh, I mean, just flip the chart, flip the Fibonacci level. So if we think this is the actual bottom for this asset, which it very well could be, we're looking at the falling wedge pattern takes us back up to all-time highs. So it takes us back up to 150 eventually. This could take a year or two. And then maybe it does some sort of cup pattern for its blow off top, right? And yeah, it could go up to like maybe $400.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, this is like a 2-year trade.
Right. So 2025 lit.
Lit.
Bro,
you want to see something that's lit?
Holy shit,
I gave this trade setup to you guys already, but IMX, man. Yeah. I think this is going to do some crazy effing shit. And the reason, because of what they're doing with the NFTs. Look at this. We got a 3-day long signal at the bottom of a wedge pattern, man. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? In the short term, it's probably going to go up 50%, right? We just saw a 3-day signal on AVAX. The last 3-day long signal we got was a 57% move after we got.
Oh shit!
But if this is the bottom, man, effing forget it. This is the actual bottom. Okay, look. Let's zoom out. Cool. Let's go to the weekly chart. Holy shit! This thing is still sitting at 30 on the RSI on the weekly chart with bullish divergence on the weekly chart. So you have the price coming down and you have the RSI going up.
Yeah. Okay.
Not financial advice, right? Okay.
Right.
So the premium or the all-time high for IMX was $9, dude. It's 53 cents. It's 53 cents. even if it doesn't make it to the previous all-time high. Right? And maybe
what is this? What are they doing?
This is a scaling solution for ETH for NFTs, yeah.
Oh,
so even if it just does a 50% retracement and we just do a shitty 50% retrace, all right, we're talking about almost 4x in your money.
That's crazy, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is cool shit, man. You definitely got a gift there, Mr. Know-It-All.
Thanks, man. I do what I can. I'm trying to, like I said, I'm trying to impact as many people as I can in this run. This is one of the most important runs for me because this Bitcoin run is what is really, people are really going to wake up and understand what's happening with the dollar and with inflation and really what's happening to their wealth. It's going to be completely deteriorated. If they don't understand that now, then they really are going to understand that in 2 years from now. And if they're not taking action, I can't. I mean, you can lead a horse to water. You can't make them drink it, right? So I'm going to sit here on your stream and talk about these charts for the next 6 months, and I'm sure you're going to get some idiots that buy the tops and sell the bottoms, right? That's what happens. 95% of traders lose money, man, and that's because they fall privy to what other people are saying on YouTube or something, or I mean, listen, man, I'm on YouTube, but I'm not like smashing static videos every day. I should be. I just don't have the time. I don't have the time.
Yeah.
But if you guys do appreciate what I do, check out the channel, check out the Discord. Yeah. You guys know me, man. I'm not some scammer guy. I'm not going to rug pull you. In fact, I don't even want your money. I just want you to understand what you can do with these trading tools. They can really help you. I'm here to guide you and help you use them so you can build wealth for yourself.
It's all about, man, good people. Mad Dog, I got a question for you.
Where do you think the S&P is headed in the next 3 months? Let's take a look at the S&P. I got about 2 minutes, so let's take a look at it. So S&P, beautiful. We got an inverse head and shoulders pattern in development right now. We're at the neckline. We're about to break this structure. Everyone's like, oh my God, we're in a recession. Dude, we've been in this recession since we topped out in January, on the S&P. And to me, this looks like a massive descending, broadening wedge formation. Now you have an inverse head and shoulders pattern in development here. This is big, guys. This is a structural reversal pattern that we could be seeing here. We could end up maybe making a lower high at the end of the day, and that's what I'm saying. We could see Bitcoin go up to maybe 30K or 25K and then pull back, right? And that's kind of would be confluent with what's happening here. We see this, and then S&P makes a lower high, and then it comes back down and maybe holds this area as support before we really go on a run. Then we make a massive double bottom, right? Something like that. I'll say this: Amazon is showing 2 week bullish divergence on Amazon. I know you're not asking about Amazon, but Amazon is something you really should be looking at to determine whether or not we're in a recession or what we're doing, because Amazon is the leader of this market. Like, let's be real about it. And if Amazon looks like shit, well, man, they all look like shit, right? So here you go. We have a low and the same low on the RSI. What's this, Chris? What do we got?
Double bottom.
We got a double bottom. Really, what we call this RSI bullish divergence. We have a low and the same low on the relative strength index, where the price is lower than the previous low. Okay, so 2 week bullish divergence. That could just mean Amazon comes back up to retest this $130 level. But if we end up breaking back above it, Amazon can go on a massive run. All right, that's all I got here for tonight. If you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure you guys smash up DGen Protocol's like button, smash up the subscribe button, tick the notification bell, and we'll catch you guys in the next stream. All right, peace and love.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get off here too, guys. Y'all have a good night. It's been a great stream. I will see you tomorrow, same time, same channel, and we out.
Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, 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 win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo. Shooting to the moon, and go. I want to